Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. So we are on Vlognukkah day 5.
Vlognukkah day 5.
So of course first we need to light the Vlognukkah menorah. I don't even know, what have I been calling it? The Vlognukkah Hanukkah? The Vlognukkah? That's what it is. It's the Vlognukkah. So we start with the shamash and then 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So today's video is in collaboration with one of my very good friends and favorite YouTubers, Bekah Hart. I will link her channel below as well as above, and let's get started. So today we did a mystery swap box. We kind of sent each other our likes and dislikes, and so I have this big box that she sent me, and I am so excited to unbox this mystery Disney unboxing holiday gift with you guys. If you are over from Bekah's channel, thank you so much for joining me. I am so glad you're here. I do unboxings, unbaggings, Disney trip vlogs, Disneyland vlogs. I do DIYs, so I would love for you to subscribe and stick around if you'd like. So here is this giant box from Bekah. I am actually going to set it down because I can't fit in the frame with it. So we are just going to get started. The only thing I have undone is obviously the tape, because you guys know I don't have scissors. Because why would I ever have scissors? Ever. So here is the inside, and you can see just a little card peeking out from her. So I'm gonna open this first. So she said, Allison, I hope you and your girls enjoy this box of goodies. Your family is precious, and I am so thankful for your friendship. All thanks to YouTube. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Love, Bekah. So she is just so sweet. We actually talk all the time. She has become one of my closest and very, very good friends, and I feel so lucky to have her in my life. So I feel like first we should start with what's peeking out, and it's obviously this adorable Ariel blanket. How cute is that? And I told her, I mean, like, I love pretty much any Disney princess, so I'm not picky when it comes to basically anything. But I know that Ruthie is going to freaking love this because she's got a small world theme. If you know this, there are actually like hidden Ariels in different rides. They have it at Disneyland during Small World around the holidays. They have Ariel in there, and they also have it in, like, she's in Peter Pan in like the mermaid. You can see like a or a kind of a look-alike Ariel there. Okay, so next I'm going to open this. And this is, oh cute, it's a little matching game. I know Ruthie is going to love this. Is ages 3 and up. So here is a little matching game, and it looks like it's a classic game of picture matching. Flip over colorful tiles to reveal your favorite characters. This is so cute. There we go. Okay, so if you look around, it looks like it's got all different kinds of characters, including Pixar. It's not just like classic characters. It looks like some Pixar as well. Okay, so I have 2 kids. If you're coming from Bekah's channel, you probably don't know that. I have 2 kids, and so I drink a lot of coffee, and she got me this. Look at this mug. I'm loving this. It's like a cartoonized cartoon version, is that possible, of Tink and Peter Pan, and I love Tinkerbell. You guys can probably already see, but I wear my hair in a little Tinkerbell bun every day just because, look, my kids pull my hair, what can I say? I have a little baby, and she pulls my hair if I wear it down, so I wear it up all the time. But I like to think that I'm channeling my inner Tink. And then on the other side, it's got this. It's got the castle right here, and then the inside is just this green. It's got this green handle. Loving this mug. Thank you, Bekah. Okay, this is adorable. There's this really cute little magnetic pad. And I make a lot of lists. And then look at these cute little pencils. I know Ruthie is going to adore these. These are really cute. Really cute. Okay, so next we're gonna open this together. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm obsessed with this. Look. It shakes and it says faith, trust, and pixie dust. I am so excited to wear this. I'm hoping there's some straps in here. If there isn't, I'm gonna attach something. This is freaking adorable. It doesn't have any straps, but that's okay because this is adorable. I literally am like thinking of my Instagram right now. I'm like, there are so many cute pictures I could do with this. This is so cute. Look at that. And look, it looks like real cork up on top. Can you guys see that? Look at that. It looks like real cork. And then there's all the little shaker. This is amazing. Like, I'm obsessed. And it says 1953, which I think is when Peter Pan came out. I'm obsessed. This may be my favorite thing. Now we're gonna open this little one and it smells good. So yep. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Okay, so it says bath salts. It's peppermint swirl scented. And it looks like a little ornament. So there's like the little, and then in the inside, it's got little bath salts in it. Oh my gosh. This smells, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Oh. Okay, so we've got one last little thing in the bottom. And it is, ooh. These are cute little notepads. Oh my gosh. They're little oof-oofy notepads, but they're like fuzzy. They're textured. So we've got, let's look. We've got Mickey, and he's textured, he's furry. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. We have Minnie. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got Donald. Look at how cute that is. And Daisy. And of course, Goofy. So they're all textured. All of them have like this little furry like piece about them. These are adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mystery unboxing. So I also wanted to add to, if you're just joining me now, I am doing a giveaway right now as we speak, and I would love for you to make sure that you enter it. So go ahead to my Vlognukkah day 1 so you can join me on the giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as some love over on Bekah's channel. And if you have not joined my Disney family and you are just joining me just by happen chance, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you around here. We have a lot of fun. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.